There's breaking news today that could have a profound impact on your financial future. President Trump is preparing to sign a groundbreaking executive order. This new policy could completely transform the way Americans save for retirement, opening up opportunities that were never available before. For the first time, millions of people will be able to invest their 401k funds in alternative assets like cryptocurrencies, options that were once out of reach for everyday savers. Imagine the potential for your retirement account if you could tap into the explosive growth of digital currencies, alongside traditional investments. For decades, high-growth investment opportunities were mostly reserved for the wealthy or well-connected, but this executive order is designed to level the playing field for everyone. It's a bold move that challenges the old system, giving you the chance to diversify your retirement savings beyond just stocks and bonds. This could mean more growth, more security, and more freedom to choose how you build your nest egg. The retirement market is worth trillions of dollars, and until now, most of that money has missed out on the digital asset boom that's reshaping the financial world. This executive order marks a turning point. Crypto is no longer just for tech enthusiasts or risk takers. It's becoming a mainstream option for retirement planning. Soon you'll have more control, more flexibility, and more choices to grow your wealth and secure your future for the long term. We're witnessing the dawn of a new era in retirement planning, one where innovation and opportunity go hand in hand. Stay tuned and pay close attention to what comes next. If you enjoy this type of content, please like, share, and hit the notification bell for more. Let's quickly recap what a 401k is and why it matters. If you've ever wondered how people save for retirement or why your employer keeps mentioning this mysterious account, you're in the right place. Understanding your 401k is one of the most important steps you can take for your financial future. A 401k is your main retirement savings tool, offered by employers with big tax advantages. It's a special account designed to help you build wealth over time, and it's one of the easiest ways to start investing for your future, even if you're new to personal finance. You contribute pre-tax dollars, lowering your taxable income, which means you pay less in taxes today. Every paycheck, a portion of your earnings goes straight into your 401k, making saving automatic and painless. And your investments grow tax-deferred until retirement. That means you don't pay taxes on your gains each year, so your money can grow faster and work harder for you over the decades. The real magic is compound growth. Small, regular contributions can snowball into a substantial nest egg. Over time, your money earns returns, and then those returns earn even more returns, creating a powerful cycle of growth. But traditional 401(k)s have always been limited to a narrow list of mutual funds. For years, your investment options were chosen by your employer or plan provider, often leaving you with only a handful of choices. You couldn't invest in your favorite companies or new asset classes. Your choices were restricted. This meant missing out on opportunities to diversify or invest in areas you believe in. President Trump's executive order changes that, expanding your investment menu for the first time. Now you may have access to a wider range of investments, including stocks, ETFs, and more. More control and more choices could dramatically improve your financial future. With greater flexibility, you can tailor your retirement plan to fit your goals, risk tolerance, and interest. It's about moving from a one-size-fits-all model to a personalized approach to building wealth. With these new options, your 401k can truly reflect your unique vision for retirement, helping you take charge of your financial destiny. Here's what the executive order will do. It directs federal agencies to allow 401k retirement plans to offer not just Bitcoin, but a range of cryptocurrencies and alternative assets as investment options. This is a significant shift in how Americans can plan for their financial futures, opening the door to new opportunities that were previously unavailable in traditional retirement accounts. Importantly, this isn't forcing anyone to buy crypto. It's about giving you the freedom to choose what works best for your goals. You'll have the flexibility to explore digital assets alongside more familiar investments, all within your retirement plan. The order covers much more than just Bitcoin. It could include Ethereum, tokenized real estate, private equity, and other innovative assets that are reshaping the investment landscape. This means your portfolio could become more diverse and tailored to your interests. After the order is issued, federal agencies will be responsible for setting the rules and guidelines to ensure these new options are safe and accessible for everyone. Then, Major providers like Fidelity and Vanguard will review these guidelines and decide whether to add these new investment choices to their offerings, potentially changing the way millions of Americans invest for retirement. Expect many financial institutions to move quickly to stay competitive, as the demand for innovative investment options continues to grow. But with more freedom comes greater responsibility. Crypto is known for its volatility and risk, so it's crucial to educate yourself before making any decisions. Take advantage of resources and seminars to understand the risks and rewards. While this isn't a guarantee of profits, it does give you the power to diversify your portfolio and make choices that align with your personal financial strategy and risk tolerance. For the first time, you'll have the chance to decide if crypto and other alternative assets fit your retirement plan, empowering you to take control of your financial future in ways that were never possible before. This is about more than just new investments. It's about financial empowerment. For decades, most people had to set it and forget it, with a handful of mutual funds. Now, you can take a more active role in your financial future. Even a small allocation to Bitcoin could have a big impact on your retirement goals. Bitcoin is also seen as a hedge against inflation, protecting your savings from the declining value of the dollar. This order tears down barriers that kept the best opportunities for the wealthy. Your retirement account should have access to the same tools as anyone else. It's a step toward financial inclusion and a fair shot at a secure retirement. What does this mean for crypto? It's the most bullish news the industry has ever seen. The US retirement market is over $35 trillion. Even a tiny fraction flowing into crypto means hundreds of billions in new demand. This could trigger a supply shock and drive prices higher, creating a multi-year bull market. More importantly, it brings regulatory clarity and mainstream validation. Institutions have waited for this green light. Now, they'll build out crypto products and services. When people see Bitcoin in their 401k, it changes perceptions and normalizes crypto. This will drive broader adoption and maturity in the market. Crypto is finally moving from the fringes to the financial mainstream. So what should you do? Start by educating yourself about Bitcoin and crypto. Know the risks and rewards. Don't wait for your 401k to add these options. Get informed now. Watch for updates from your employer and plan provider, and express your interest if you want these choices. Remember, investing for retirement is a marathon. Think long-term, not get rich quick. If you add crypto, keep it a small, balanced part of your portfolio. Stay disciplined, avoid emotional decisions, and let compound growth work for you. Subscribe for updates. We'll keep you informed as this story develops. The future of retirement is changing, and you're in the right place to make the most of it.